Hello, my name is Gerson. I'm here to talk to you about BISCO's ultimate adhesive system, Allbond Universal, the first truly universal dental adhesive. Allbond Universal is a universal adhesive formulated to be compatible with light, self, and dual-cured resin composite cements materials for all direct and indirect procedures. Most importantly, Allbond Universal never requires an activator. Allbond Universal offers the flexibility for use with self, total, and selective etch techniques. It contains NDP monomer, which chemically bonds to the tooth for enhanced durability. Allbond Universal has a mildly acidic pH of 3.2, which allows for universal compatibility with self dual-cured materials. Unlike most universal adhesive, Allbond Universal is a true single bottle adhesive that never requires an activator for indirect restorations. Additionally, it is not moisture sensitive and has the ability to bond to wet, dry, and moist dentin and enamel. The film thickness of Allbond Universal is less than 10 microns, which allows for proper seating of crowns and bridges. With its high performance chemistry, Allbond Universal is the only adhesive system you will need in your practice. It is so universal and versatile, we created our own words to describe it: universality.